Good afternoon, this is James from White Knights Estate Agents. Thank you for joining me today for this live stream video of a property we are currently selling in Carnarvon Road in Reading. I'm just showing you the outside at the moment, the street. It's permit parking. These are available from the local council. It's approximately £40 a year for the first car and then about £140 for the second car. However, there are 2-hour bays on this road as well. So we're located close to the Reading University, Reading Hospital and Reading Town Centre. The property in front of me is the one we're here to see today. It is a 2-bed mid-terrace, turn of the century, late Victorian terraced home. Just showing you the front garden here. The property is being sold as vacant possession and there's no chain on it either, which is fantastic. Heading into from the composite security door, we are entering into the entrance hall. Just showing you back there. By the way, guys, feel free to ask any questions while viewing. Also, if you wish to come and have a physical view of this property, you can also request that while I'm showing you around. So from the front door, we're into this reception room, which is a really lovely, cosy room. And what I love with it is the fact that they've kept the fireplace open on here, although it has been capped off. Some storage units have been built in either side, which is done really well. I'm just going to open one now. And in there are your meters. They have also replaced the windows, although they've kept them as the sash. And there's also a house alarm in this property as well, adding extra security. Okay, coming on through. Question coming in. Yes, the furniture can be left as well. The current owner has vacated and emigrated, so I think that'd be quite preferable to leave it. There's the alarm panel there, just for your view, and then through to this absolutely gorgeous kitchen, breakfast, stroke dining room, second reception room. Call it what you want. But this is absolutely incredible. Nice big range cooker, 5-ring gas burner, large oven through there, and then it's the solid oak countertop. There's a small bit of marble here, so for those of you that are cooks, for your bakery, pastries, things like that. All units, you've got dishwasher just here, and if I open the drawer, it is all done on the soft close as well. Currently, it has the child locks, the Samsung fridge freezer. This would remain. Large extractor hood. So heading on through, and this here, absolutely fantastic. Second reception room. The shelving units on the sides, these are the old scaffolding boards, and I'll just show you up in the ceiling. You've got the Veluxes there, lots and lots of light in as well. I don't think the video will do this place justice. I really do recommend that you guys come out and see this place as well. Cupboard under the stairs is actually your downstairs WC. Well fitted in, extractor fan there for it. They've really thought of everything on here. There's some more Veluxes, lets lots of light in. And then you're out into your back garden. These beautiful bifold doors. So when the summer is out and the sun's out, you can bring the outside in and just stand back a wee bit and just appreciate this garden. Absolutely gorgeous. Heading out, we're into the little pergola, well established as well. This in full bloom, looks brilliant, and they've built a small seating bench area here. So I'm just taking you down the bottom of the garden. So it's a low maintenance garden as well, with this brick this brick path. A couple of storage sheds. I'll just walk back just on here, and then down the bottom is this, and you can see here it has its own secure electrical supply, Wi-Fi router. It is single pane, so hence why they've got the electric heater, but this would be an ideal home office, gym, workshop, or just an escape room. It's got the LED light panels on here, which I'll just turn on as well. So it's lovely and bright. It's well thought of. I know it is getting warmer. Supposedly it is a dry day today, which is brilliant. But you've got lots and lots of plug sockets throughout. So this would work great. Home cinema, that sort of thing. It's a real bonus on this property. So what we'll do, we'll head back towards the home. And I love the view from here, just looking back into that property. It's a real, really great look to it all. And with the roses as well. Really lets the outside in, makes it feel really at home. The heating system's all been upgraded, so it's the smart heating system through Hive. And what we'll do, let's head on up. So being that this is a turn of the century, the stairs are a little bit steeper than a standard property. However, these are not as steep as if the stairs are in the middle. So they have been, they have thought about it. This is your bathroom, and I think you'll agree, brilliantly done. All white unit. Lovely deep bath as well, with shower. And then in there is your washing machine, for those that were wondering. So they've really thought about the storage throughout this property. There's a bit more here in the bathroom. Now, I'm 6'3", I can stand up in here, no problem. It is right in the very corner. It is slightly restrictive on the height, but you should be fine. This is bedroom 2, and you can see I'm standing in just one corner. Just how large it is here. Let's show the others. Very large room, and then these wonderful big windows lets lots of light in. And as I've said before, they've replaced it with these modern sash looking ones. These modern sash windows, all double glazed, done fairly recently as well. Oh, question coming in. I'm not sure on the actual date. I believe I've got that information back in the office, so I'll be sure to let anyone know. Some more storage just here. And then what I love is this drying rack. So you can lower it down, hang your towels or something like that up, some clothes, and then you can lift it up, and then you can dry it in the house. And because of the high ceiling, you're not going to worry about that bumping your head, anything like that. So this is the main bedroom, really good size double. Lots of wardrobe space, and you can see on the outline there where their beds were. So still enough room to walk down the sides. And what we'll do, I'll just open some of these here. So you can see there, hanging space and drawer space, mirrored. Oh, hello there. Lots of shelving throughout as well. And then the final little bit should be mirrored as to the front side, to the other end. So you can see there, hanging space and drawer space in here. And then again, this lovely large sash window looking out the front. Now I know it's during the day, but it is not a noisy area at all. You will get some road noise, which is inevitable because you're on the outskirts of a big town, but this is a beautiful property, beautiful area. The other thing as well, you can see on the house on the other side of the road, that quite a few have gone into the loft to do loft conversions. This house hasn't done, but your loft area is here. And with these type of properties, it's large enough, certainly put the stairs going on up, and then you've got a whole nother floor, potentially another bedroom and bathroom, something like that. Lots of space, lots of room for all your needs. Right, so back down into what I think is definitely the big sell feature for this property here is this reception room and garden. I would like to thank you all for joining me today for this brief walk round of this property. The loft is certainly insulated. It is not boarded, not fully boarded anyway. There is a ladder, I believe, as well, for that one there. And I can see some viewing requests coming in now, so that's fantastic news. I want to thank you again for joining me for this view of this amazing property, and I really think it won't stay on the market for very long, so do get your viewing requests in very quickly. Any other questions, feel free, give us a call in the office, drop your email in, send me a message, and I look forward to seeing you at the next one. Thank you very much. All the best, guys.